Hello, in today's video we're gonna go through different payment methods and how to connect them. In short, how to receive money via Flowlance. At this moment there are two options, Stripe and PayPal. Using your bank account or bank wire, you can use it only for the feature called direct sell, which is used for internal upsells, meaning that you cannot receive payments from your store publicly. If you go through the settings, payments, where you manage all of your different payment methods, you can add a new bank account there if you want to use it for those upsells. So right now let's compare PayPal and Stripe in regarding of the fees so you can decide what you want to use. So you can go to stripe.com/pricing to see the fees exactly for your country. Most commonly it's then like 1.5% plus some really small fee per transaction if it's a domestic payment in your country, and a little bit higher if it's outside. If you want more detailed breakdown, you can scroll down to see percentage and fees for every use case. Let's look at the PayPal now. It's a little bit more complicated, this link, but it's paypal.com/business/PayPal business fees. And again, if we scroll down a little bit, thing that we are most interested in are card-funded payment from a user without PayPal account, which is again some fixed percentage fee and some fee depending on your country and on your currency. Great. Now I'm going to show you how to connect your Stripe account. If you only care about PayPal, you can skip to the later part of this video. The first step is settings, and the payments. Now I'm gonna just click on Connect Stripe. The very first step is asking you for an email. And it works like if you have created already an account for this email, you're gonna just connect it. And if there doesn't exist an account for this email, you're gonna just create it and straight connect it to Flowlance. See, in my case, I have already created 2 accounts, but for you, I'm gonna create a new one to show you. Now, this process is slightly different per country, but the most important thing is to truly complete all of the steps, upload all of the necessary documents in order to activate your account and to be fully functional. You can choose whatever the industry category is the closest to you. And feel free to use your Flowlance Creator Store URL link as your website. We recommend to add different social accounts to your Creator Store in order for the verification process to be as smooth as possible. Now add your bank account where you want the money to go to from the Stripe account. And you can choose whether you want to set your payout schedule manual or automatic every week, every day, every month, whatever. Don't worry, you can change those settings later. At the name of the payment descriptor, that's something that's gonna show on the credit card purchases for your clients. This could be whatever suits you. If you want to, you can turn on Stripe tax, and that's gonna automatically monitor your threshold taxes. In many countries, this is totally free, so it's up to you. Check if all of the informations are correct, and that's it. You successfully created your Stripe account or connected an already existing one and connected to the Flowlance. This is what successful connection looks like. There is a button Open Stripe, and if you click on that, you're gonna see your Stripe dashboard. For example, if I would want to change my payout schedule, I'm gonna click on Business, Bank Accounts and Currencies. And here, as I previously said, you can change the schedule. An example of unsuccessful connection, you can see there's some type of problem. In that case, click on Connect Stripe and it's gonna reopen your previous session. If that didn't help, you can anytime click on those 3 dots and click on. For the further debugging, I suggest you to go to your Stripe account, try to connect, log in directly on stripe.com to see if there's any additional documents you have to upload or fill some information. You definitely want to check your email account if Stripe reach out to you personally. Okay, and now let's connect PayPal. You can do that again in settings and my profile, settings, then payments, and then clicking on connect PayPal. Now you will be prompted to input your email, and based on that, PayPal will see, and if there's already existing account for this email, you're gonna just connect your existing PayPal. Otherwise, you will create a new one. Now you're just gonna tell if you are individual seller or an established business. And now you're just gonna fill out this form. Fill out those informations in this form and continue. In this section, find some category that is the most suitable for you. With website, feel free to use your Flowlance Creator Store. What we recommend beforehand is to add different social medias to your Flowlance in order for PayPal to have additional information so the verification is smooth. And in order to the integration is even possible, Flowlance needs your permission to connect with your PayPal account to create those charges for your customers to show you the payment was successful, so you need to click on allow. Now you will input your customer support email. As you can see, I have to upload my documentation, which is really standard process in order for those payment gateways to truly know that you are who you are. It's a process called Know Your Customer, and it's really pretty standard. You can upload those later, but I would suggest if you have the time to do it now. You can choose from different options, whatever suits you the best. Now the additional form for you to prove your address, again, multiple options to choose from. Now this is the success page you were looking for. PayPal is saying that please check out your email if they need any additional information from you. But so for this moment we are all set and I can go back to Flowlance. This is the success page. You can see that the integration was successful because I have opened PayPal here. If there is any error, you can every time go with the 3 dots and click on the disconnect PayPal and start the process again. Any additional information regarding the PayPal account, you can anytime go straight to PayPal. And as you can see, I have all of the different settings here. In order to do the payout, you have to link your bank account, the account where the money would go from the PayPal. So this you can do in the go to setup or link a bank. In this very moment, PayPal doesn't support automatic payout. Possible that it's gonna change. As you can see, I have 2 of the possible payment options enabled. So now I have to say what is the default one and what's gonna be used for all of the transactions. I can switch it up if I want to. If you need any additional support or you don't know you are stuck, please reach out to us and we're gonna help you.